Alright, here I'm making you a little video, so you should click on your course whenever you click on it. So really quickly, let me change it. I'll show you what you see. Okay, you click on here, you see every single day I update. So right here today it says today you will work on day 26. You will be taking your first quiz and chapter. For this chapter, if you have any extra time, please work on missing assignments. We only have 16 days left, right? Over here, right here, it shows you what assignment is due today. Do not click on that. I've made other videos earlier this year telling kids not to do that. If you click on that, it goes straight to the assignment. It doesn't give you the lesson. You need to click on materials. Okay, here is where we're going to be, right? We're currently in quarter 1, so we're going to click on quarter 1. We already finished Appendix A, but this is probably where you need to go back and click on things. Currently, we're in Chapter 1. Again, in the updates, it'll say we are in Chapter 1 on day 26. If you clicked on this one and you look through, there's no day 26. It stops at day 19. So you're like, oh, okay, well then I'll go back and I'll click on day 26. Okay, right here. If you click on each of these folders, so like for instance this first day from this chapter, it will give you the lesson and then the 2 assignments. Again, if you just click on that right side, it takes you straight to this assignment. You missed the whole lesson. So if I click on this lesson, it tells me my objectives, tells me a little summary, then it gives me videos. I'm going to watch both of these videos, and that's where I'm going to take my notes from. Then I'm going to go down here and follow the directions for the rest of the thing. Watch the video above, take notes on each example. You should have these examples from the video in your notes to receive full credit. Right here is where I'm going to click and I'm going to turn in those notes. So again, over here it will have a submission button. Because I'm viewing it as you, it doesn't, but it'll have a submission button where you can submit those notes as a picture. You can't just copy and paste the notes in. You either have to take a picture and upload that picture, or you have to upload a link if you do the notes on a Google Doc, okay? Then if you click on the next button, then it'll take you to the assignment where you can go in and solve it, okay? So again, materials, chapter, test, or whatever day we're on. Then from there, you have the lesson page with videos, then all of the instructions below.